Hello, in this video we will learn how to configure tax reports in 14. So let's move to the accounting tab. Before moving to the accounting tab, you must make sure that debug mode is activated. So if the debug mode is activated, then the configuration option shall be available in your configuration menu. So go into the tax report here, the tax report. So let's create a new tax report that is GST or GST. Click over here. Let's see GST and children account. So customer GST and the tag name customer GST and the code and the next one is supplier GST and the tag name is also supplier GST and the code save and close and save it. Oops. Basically we have to save first GST report, we have save it and then go into the add a line item GST. So save it and save now, add it and here add now, have and again CGST, save it SGST, and SGST, supplier GST or purchase GST, or you can define input tax or output tax, whatever the label you will assign or you will create. Okay, now the tax report, one tax report GST report has been configured. Now go into the, we have to go into the taxes, and here is the GST 5% for sale. So we have to assign the tax grid over here. The tax grid should be plus CGST, and for the distribution of credit note we will assign the minus CGST. Okay, so we have to assign these tax grids to all of the GST accounts for the sales and purchase as well. So here is the purchase account. So HST for purchase 13%. So we will open it and assign the tax grid for it SGST, and for this one tax grid SGST. We have to define all these SGST tax grids for all of the purchasing account as well. So now go to the tax report, and here we will see the global summary over here, but we can see over here the GST report, one report GST report is also added. So you can see over here GST and SGST over here. So let's move into the try to post some transaction over here. So we have defined for 5% and 13% for the purchase. We have defined 13%. Okay, let's move into the this is the tag name 13% we have defined. Let's do the bill, and over here testing bill, go into vendor, select the vendor, we have select the vendor over here, product, we will select enter the product, and $1,500 is the price and 13% GST. Back over here the GST 13% has been added with the $65. We confirm it, provide the date. So let's provide this one and confirm it. So vendor bill has been created with the $500 amount. Now go back to the invoices, sample invoice, required, let's say on the GST 5%, that is okay. $100 dollar. Okay, the GST amount is $50 has been added with the 5%, and we confirm this one. Now go back to the reporting and let's see what happened with the tax report. So go into the tax report, GST October, last month and this month. You can see over here 150 and 60 GST. So we can go over here order. So here is a 500 and go into the over here and work further over here as well. Okay, so here is CGST and one document we have posted, but here we will see GST 115, the customer GST and supplier GST has been added, and the total amount is showing for the month of the November 2021 115 total GST. So if we want to minus from sale tax for output tax to minus input tax, or sales from customer GST to supplier GST, so we have to configure, apply the formula over here. Go into the tax report. Here is the tax report setting and GST. Here we will apply formula. Now what could be a formula? GST minus formula we have written the customer GST minus supplier GST. So let's see the tax report, and here we can see the total, the minus 50 supplier GST, the purchasing GST is higher than the customer GST. So this is the GST report we have configured. Today we can configure as many as reports. So next report we can configure as well. Go into the configuration and tax report. So here is the GST report, the next report. Tax report, save it. Now add a line WHT. Okay, add a line CWHT and then CWHT and then WHT, save and view. SWHT, SWHT and then SWHT, save and close, save and close, save it. Oops, again we have to save this one before saving this one. Okay, save and close and save it. It has been saved now. Click on this one, add a line over here. So customer W. Save and new supplier WHT, and now supplier. Okay, save it. Now save it, go back to the tax report, and here you can see a new report has been added for the withholding tax report. Over here we have also over here the customer withholding tax and supplier withholding tax grid we have to define in the all of the withholding tax related GST amount we have to define. So this is all about the configuration of the tax reports 14. Thank you.